DNUT stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Krispy Kreme, man, it is 16% down. I mean, first thing that I'm going to mention with this is that I'm the only guy in this space that's done 40,000 videos and actually documented them all. Ultimately, it's a bearish market, and I'm not even going to sit here and just beat around the bush. Previous receipts have been made on DNUT, and it's all documented on my YouTube channel. But yeah, the only thing that I wanted to see, you know, it was the only way I would have traded this is if it reached my supply zones. I'm just gonna scale it down because that's what it really matters to me. And only if I see this shift this sort of way, then yeah, I'm looking to take it down. But really, other than that, me randomly selling, it's not gonna be happening. So all I will keep doing in the meantime is I'll keep waiting. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy. See you.